Hi there, Mads here to share tips and tricks for your Panasonic PTZs. If you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe to become a PTZ master yourself. And feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions. In this video, I would like to talk about my PTZ checklist. It's not a product or a function, but simply a tool I use every time I use PTZ cameras. Like a pilot and a flight officer would run through a checklist before, during and after flying a plane, I will encourage you to do the same when using your PTZ cameras. It may sound a bit strange to follow a checklist. You are just filming. But the thing is, we often just have one chance to get it right. For me, this actually saves time, and I can continue to do other things after my checklist is done. Let me take you through my PTZ checklist. Let's divide it into 3 segments: install, output, and image. Install consists of unpacking, setup, dance, firmware, default. So unpack the camera and check its shape. If it looks alright, let's set it up, power it on, and let it complete the dance sequence. This is checking all moving parts are okay. Now let's make sure we are running the latest firmware. Restore the camera to default so that you can start anew. Output consists of system format, output. Let's set the system format and configure the outputs. Image consists of framing, focus, iris, black balance, white balance, and paint. Frame the camera, focus on your chart, set iris, black balance, and white balance. And if you want to tweak the colors or match with other cameras, now is the time to do that. Remember, this is just my way of remembering everything I have to do. You can do your own list that fits your needs. And while you're at it, why not share it in the comments below? Until next time, checklist complete.